Once we're finished with our God's eye completely, we'll take another piece of string and we'll tie it on. So the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to actually put it through this piece of string here, and then I'm going to tie it onto the top with a double knot. And so I'm going to put it through the hole, going to tie it down, and then I'm going to do it again by looping it around and then tying it down. Then you can cut off the extra so that it'll hang just like this. If you have extra string when you're finished, you don't have to do this. You can just tie it on with extra string and then glue that string to the end by putting a piece of glue. I'd go ahead and put a piece of glue or dotted glue on this to make sure that it stays just in case. Then I'm going to take a piece of paper, and each class will have their color. And so then I'm going to put my name on it, my chair number, and my teacher's name. Then I'm going to punch a hole in it. I want to make sure that it has plenty of space from the hole to here so that it doesn't rip off. I'm going to put my string through the hole and then tie it on pretty close to here so that you have a lot of extra yarn to work with when tying it. Same thing, put it through the hole, double knot it. You want it to hang to where it only hangs in the middle of our God's eye and not down below, because we will hang these up and the name will be on the back. And you don't want the name to be hanging down below the God's eye showing. And so you can see there, that's how it'll hang. And we might even hang it from this string here so that the name hangs behind the God's eye. But this way we know that this is Anthony's God's eye and it has his name on it, and we don't have to worry about figuring out whose is whose in the end.